Airtable versus Claris, two strong tools for managing data and building custom apps. But which one is actually better? Which one help you to stay more organized and save more time and get more done? Now stick around because by the end of this video you will know which one deserves your attention. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the description for free trials and offers. Alright, let's get started. So first, let's talk about what are these tools. Airtable is basically a mix of spreadsheet and a database. It looks as easy as Excel or Google Sheet, but behind this scene, it's much more powerful. You can link records, create forms, and even build app without coding. It's loved by startups, small businesses, or even the big companies who need the flexibility. Claris, also known as the file maker, it has been around for a long time. It's a low-code platform that lets you to build custom business app. It's especially popular with entrepreneurs, education, and the companies that want a system built exactly for their workflow. And it's powerful but also more advanced compared to Airtable. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Airtable is very beginner friendly. If you have a spreadsheet, then you can jump right in. And adding records, filtering data, creating Kanban views, or even linking tables feels natural. It's built to make databases simple for a non-tech person. Now, other side we have the Claris. It has a steeper learning curve. It's not as simple as Airtable, but once you learn it, you can build custom app that can go way beyond just tables. For the example, you can create inventory systems, CRM tools, or project tracker that are highly customized. Next, let's compare the features. Airtable has multiple views like a grid, Kanban, calendar, and even the Gantt chart. You also get the automations, integrations with tools like Slack or Zapier, and a marketplace of extensions. So it's flexible but still simple. Other side, Claris goes deeper. It allows you to custom scripting, database relationships, and advanced reporting, and also the integration with API. It's designed for bigger organizations that need the complete control and who are ready to invest time into setup. Now let's talk about the pricing. Airtable has a free plan with limited feature, which is great for small teams, but the paid plan starts at around $20 per seat per month, and it can go higher with depending on advanced feature. Claris doesn't have a forever free plan. It can usually start at around $21 or $22 per user per month, and pricing can go much higher for enterprise level solution. But you are also paying for a more advanced system that can replace multiple tools if done right. So which one should you choose? If you are a beginner, a small business, or someone who want a smarter spreadsheet that's easy to use, then Airtable is the clear winner for you. It's simple, it's clean, and it's powerful enough for most needs. But if you are an enterprise or you need just a very specific custom app that can fit your business perfectly, Claris is the better option. It's harder at first, but once you set up, it's powerhouse. So to put it simple, Airtable is like the Lego blocks, easy, fun, and quick to build something useful. And Claris is like building your own house, like harder, but at the end, it's fully custom to your needs. So you can find the trial link in the description. You can check that. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.